In this video, you will see how to add border in LibreOffice Writer. It's very easy. To insert border to the page, first you need to click here on the format option. And in the format option, you will see here the option of page style. From here, we can add border to the page. After clicking on it, you will see this page style dialog box. Click on the borders tab here. And you will see here line arrangement. So at present there is no border. So if you want to add border, you need to select this second option, all 4 borders. You will see the preview here. From here you can change the style of the line. So if you want a solid line, you can select it, or if you want a double line or a dotted line like this, you can select it from here. You can see the preview, and this is the thickness. The width is the thickness. You can select the thickness of the line. I like thick line. And under the color, you can select the color of the line. For example, I will select blue color, and once everything is done, click on apply. So as you can see, we have a border around the page. Remember that if you want to remove the border of the page, you just have to click on this option, no borders, and then click on apply to remove border from WPS Office Writer. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to LibreOffice.